Welcome, in front of me I have EssentielB HeYou 60, and today I will show you how you can change your screen recorder settings like quality, sound, or for example the screen touches. So all you have to do, just go for the settings, next pick advanced features, and here we have to go for the screen recorder. And when we are here, we can at the first change video resolution, so we can go for the 48 or 720. There's this sound, so we can record microphone or just mute microphone, and we can also record touch interactions. So basically when we tap, for example, in this place, there will be a small white dot on our record. If you want to activate or get rid of that, just tap on the switcher. And as you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.